Hey guys, it's Caterpillar143 here. Today we have yet another model unboxing. I got this one off of eBay for $33. So let's get started here. Got a whole bunch of paper. The paper. Okay, so here it is. It is a oh, that's really nice. It is a Case 650H, made by Ertl. This is an older model. It is pretty cool. So let's open it here. See if I can open it just like this. Okay, this might work. Sorry guys. Almost got it here. Okay, so there it is. It's pretty cool. I'm not going to take the ties off now, but functions are good. Really nice dozer. And it's the older version. It says Y-Track on it. It's got some screening on the back. So that's pretty cool. I like the way that is. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that was the unboxing of the Case 650H made by Ertl. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, rate, and subscribe.